See this question now. Shyam bought 2 computers for rupees 40,000. He sold them at a gain of 15% on one and at a loss of 15% on other. Calculate the final gain or loss percent if the selling price of both the computer is the same. अब यो क्वेश्चन में हेर्नुस् के दिएको छ श्याम bought 2 computers for rupees 40,000 भनेको दुईटै कम्प्युटरको कस्ट प्राइस मिलाएर कति भएको छ रुपीस 40,000. So we say the CP of 2 computers is equals to rupees 40,000. He sold them at a gain of 15% on one भनेको profit percent on first 15% and at a loss of 15% on other भनेको loss percent on the second is 15%. अगाडि के भनेको छ Calculate his final gain or loss percent भनेको as a whole profit वा loss percent कति छ when the selling price of both the computer are same भनेको SP of first is equals to SP of second. This is the given condition. अब पहिला फर्स्ट कम्प्युटरको बारेमा सल्भ गरौँ. यसमा दुईटै कम्प्युटरको कम्बाइन्ड कस्ट प्राइस दिएको छ. इन्डिभिजुअल हामीलाई थाहा छैन. हामी के गरौँ लेट द CP of फर्स्ट कम्प्युटर बी X. Profit छ त्यहाँ 15%. So we say profit is 15% of CP, that is 15% of X. We say 0.15X. So now going for SP. SP भनेको CP plus profit. So we say X plus 0.15X. We get there 1.15X. Similarly, for the second computer, what we know? The CP of combined is 40,000. First को हामीले CP मान्यो X. The total 40,000 मा यदि फर्स्ट कम्प्युटर को CP X छ भने सेकेन्ड को कति बच्यो त 40,000 minus X. So we say CP is equals to 40,000 minus X. Loss is 15% of CP. Solve गरौँ 15% of 40,000 minus X. त्यहाँ आइहाल्छ 6,000 minus 0.15X. Now again solving for SP. In the case of loss, we know SP is equals to CP minus loss. Values राखौँ CP छ यहाँ 40,000 minus X minus loss छ 6,000 minus 0.15X. यो इक्वेसन सल्भ गर्दा we get SP is equals to 34,000 minus 0.85X. दुईटै कम्प्युटरको SP X को टर्ममा फाइन्ड गरिसकेपछि क्वेसनमा के गिवन कन्डिसन छ the SP of first is equals to the SP of second. SP of first कति निकाल्यौ 1.15X. SP of second कति निकाल्यौ 34,000 minus 0.85X. यो दुईटैलाई इक्वेट गर्दा X को भ्यालु कति आइहाल्छ 17,000. अब यो क्वेसनमा हामीलाई टोटल ट्रान्जेक्सन को प्रॉफिट र लस सोध्या छ. So we find the total CP and total SP. For the total CP it is given to us 40,000. For the total SP फर्स्ट र सेकेन्ड को एड गरौँ. फर्स्ट को SP छ 1.15X. सेकेन्ड को SP छ 34,000 minus 0.85X. तो यो इक्वेसनमा सल्भ गरेर X को भ्यालु राख्यौं 17,000 भने यहाँ टोटल SP कति आइहाल्छ 39,100. So you can see the total SP is less than CP. अब यदि SP is less than CP, that is the case of loss. So we say loss equals to CP minus SP, that is 40,000 minus 39,100. We get the loss 900. अब loss percent को कुरा गरौँ. Loss percent means loss by CP into 100. Loss is 900. CP is 39,100. Values राख्दाखेरि loss percent आउँछ 2.30%. So we can say in this question the loss percent for the whole transaction is 2.30%.